morning, guys, and welcome back to another Soul Drives video, and welcome back to, one of my most favorite places in the Black Forest. We are on one of my favorite roads, and I'm sitting in an absolutely extraordinary car. I'm sitting in the Lamborghini Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive, and I have to tell you guys, it is a very simple car. We have no rear-wheel steer, we have only rear-wheel drive. We have a naturally aspirated V10, pretty much a dinosaur of the automotive industry. 8,700 RPMs, 610 horsepower, 560 Newton meters of torque, and a mid-engine chassis that really likes to take corners. Just listen to that sound. I mean, driving this, you really get reminded of what Lamborghini themselves say about this car. It is it is designed to be scary. And in all honesty, I drove a lot of fast cars, McLaren 750S, GT2 RS. It really, sticks to the saying, this car is the first car that I really feel a little bit scared putting my foot down. I mean, it's definitely, when you take it into some corners, it's not a competitor, I'd say, to a 992 GT3 or anything of that sort, but it does feel very capable. Just not as perfectly dialed in. It has just way more emotions. This car doesn't have to abide by too many rules. It just has practically a straight pipe exhaust, some catalytic converters, and nothing more. And you can really tell by the sound it makes. This car is, I'd say, probably the highest mileage Huracan EVO, maybe even in the world. Yeah, this car has 204,000 kilometers on it. And let me tell you, talking to the owner of this car, he's a very, very interesting person. He daily drives this car. He maintains it very, very well. And the back end of the car is completely carbon fiber, so you don't lose any of the strength in the chassis. It still feels like a very, very competent sports car. Super sports car. words on behalf of the owner. This car is from the Czech Republic, and the owner has maintained it at Lamborghini in Prague. He asked me to give them a little shout out because this car with 204,000 kilometers runs as smooth as new. And we just wanted to give a little shout out to, well, first of all, Lamborghini in Italy for building such a car. It's, I mean, basically a German car, but the guys in Italy did a great job putting it all together. There's no squeaks in the interior. You have seen it in the intro shots. The car doesn't look like it's kilometer counter at all. So yeah, big shout out to the guys at Lamborghini Prague for maintaining this car so well. And I mean, it hasn't lost any of its glory in these kilometers. It's just plain and simple, a really big engine pushing this very lightweight small chassis. So now, without further ado, I think this car deserves, like you know it from some of my previous videos, just a raw cinematic drive, with no words spoken.